Alright, we're going to go through our Apollo system. It's a 20-to-1 system. This one has a 4-inch air motor with our 2000 pump and 2000 catalyst pump. Everything you see here is in stainless steel, resin pump, catalyst pump. Everything is quick disconnect pins. So as follows, it's pretty easy to disassemble. You're going to pull the pins. You're able to drop the lower ball. So you have a ball and a seat, and your lower spring is right in here. It's holding inside the resin pump cylinder. You also are able to pull the pins on the top cylinder. And drop the cylinder all the way down. The cylinder is honed, it is stainless steel, so if you happen to gel it, you are able to burn this off, and the only thing you will be replacing is O-rings and seals. On the bottom of the pump shaft, you have a major seal with a ball and a spring. That's your check off on your upper pump. Everything disassembles very easily. As you can see, there's a pull pin right here for your catalyst pump. And on the opposite side, there's a pull pin for your pump shaft. This is a connecting block. So you're able to separate your air motor from your resin pump just by pulling pins. You're able now to pull your pump shaft all the way down. And now you're able to get to your upper seal housing where you have a major seal. Reassembly is just as easy as taking it apart, bring your connecting block up, connect it with the hole, and pull your stainless steel pin through. Go to the opposite side, you're able to put your catalyst pin into your connecting block as well, and we can reassemble our resin pump cylinder. Goes right into the top. And inside. And just like that, you're ready to go back and start spraying. So if you happen to suck up some kind of contaminants from your container, it's just as easy as pulling the pins, cleaning the ball and seat off, and putting it back together. You're up and operational in no time at all. Good feature of our catalyst pump is it's a slave arm. It is engraved. It's very easy to adjust. It goes from 0.5 to 0.05 to 3.0. All you do is adjust using the wheel, then you're able to lock it into place. Our packing nut does have a hose attached. This packing nut has a fluid spacer in it, so once the seal starts to go out over time, you'll leak catalyst through here instead of all over the floor out of your seals. So this is a telltale sign. If your seal is starting to go, you will start to see catalyst fill this line, and then you'll know it is time to change those seals out. You're able to prime up your catalyst pump pretty easily, separate from the machine. So you can prime your catalyst pump by hand. Once you get all the air bubbles out of your clear line, you're able to lift your ball valve and keep priming. Once you get to about 100 psi, you should be good to go. You're ready to put your pin back in, and hopefully your resin pump is already primed up and you're ready to shoot. Filter house assembly. So resin comes through up through the chamber over into your filter. It accumulates, so you always have steady pressure and flow. So as you prime up, resin is going to come out of here. Once you get a nice steady flow, you're able to lift your ball valve up, and then it will start to fill the line to your gun. Once you got your resin primed up, you got your catalyst primed up, you're ready to connect the resin to your connecting block, and we are all primed up all the way to the gun and ready to spray.